Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we are going to explore an ancient Chinese character. Its pronunciation is
石
it means stone. When this character is combined with other characters, it forms many common words. For example,
矿石
means ore,
玉石
means jade,
石桥
means a bridge made of stone. Now, let's take a look at how this character evolved throughout history. In the earliest oracle bone script, this character looked like two pieces of stone. As the writing system became standardized, the character was gradually simplified until it eventually took on the stroke-based form we use today. Let's practice reading this character together.
石石石
This is a single component character. It is made of 5 strokes: a horizontal stroke, a left falling stroke, a vertical stroke, a horizontal turning stroke, and a short horizontal stroke. Remember the golden rule of writing Chinese characters, from top to bottom and from left to right. Now let's try writing this character stroke by stroke. First, write the top horizontal stroke. Then, from the middle of this line, draw a long left falling stroke. Next, at about that halfway point of that left stroke, add a short vertical line. After that, write the horizontal turning stroke, and finally, add a short horizontal stroke at the bottom, almost like drawing a little square stone underneath. The character
石
is also a very common radical. It usually appears on the left side of other characters. It is used as a symbol like this. Whenever you see a character with this radical, it often relates to something connected with stone. Have you mastered this character now?